8 days away. 8 days away from Rodrigo Duterte's birthday. I'm going to call it out right now to the ICC over in the Netherlands, over in Hague. Why have you not made the announcement yet of when you are going to release this man out of your custody? This is disgusting. 116 million people are screaming right now to free Rodrigo Duterte, the father of the country, the best president that we ever had. And I'm going to go as far as I'm going to go right to the Marcos administration that if you want any shot of continuing to be the president of the Philippines, you are going to have to come clean, take responsibility for your own shit, talk about the involvement that you did and that you signed up with the ICC to let them come into the country and take away their hero, their president, their friend, their loved one, the one that they call dad of the Philippines. I don't understand it. Why is he still in your custody? No due process, an illegal arrest. We're calling it a possibly allegedly kidnapping. You came in, weren't welcome, wasn't at all welcome into the Philippines. Nobody wanted you. Nobody invited you. Who let you in? Who gave you the key to the door of Rodrigo Duterte to come into the country of the Philippines and make that arrest? And then turn back around, go to a foreign nation, a foreign land, take him far away from the people that love him. And he's 8 days away from his birthday. And I know that you seriously do not think that people are going to sit quietly and celebrate this man's birthday on March 28th. If you've got him behind bars, behind prison, and you have no intentions of letting him go. We are protesting here in New York. If you don't hear me now, you will. We've got lined up protests. We are going to scream from the top of mountains. We are going to scream from the rallies. We're going to scream from the oceans. We are going to continue to talk about this until you guys get your shit together. Release this man that is only guilty of one thing, is that it is on the war of drugs, and even with that, gave the opportunity to everybody that was an addict. He opened up these facilities all around the country so they can go to rehab to become a better person. And of course, there's always going to be casualties of war, but he did it in the best interest of the mommies, the daddies, the loved ones, the children, the babies, the sick, the elderly, the tired, the vulnerable, to protect them from these atrocities that will continue to happen over the abuse of substances flowing into your country. Do the right thing. Listen to my videos. Listen to my voice. Before that man's birthday comes, I'm telling you one thing. We are demanding one thing, is to release that man, Rodrigo Duterte, so we can all celebrate together his 80th birthday. And that's all I gotta say about that. Midnight, I am out. 1, 2, 3.